Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you search in a conversation into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to perform this action, you just simply have to open your Google Chat application, and after that just simply open the chat where you would like to find or search into conversations. Now I'll open this chat in order to show you, and after that you will get to see this magnifier icon into the top right corner. You can select that option, otherwise if it's not available into your screen, you can go to the profile and select the search in conversation section. Tap to search in conversation and you can type the keyword that you are searching for. For example, I'm searching this hello word into my conversation. Just simply open this one and it will open that into your chat. This way you can easily search for your chats and history into your Google Chat in no time. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.